how to enable 2FA or two-factor authentication for Fortnite. So here's all we have to do. Go to the Epic Games website, epicgames.com or store.epicgames.com, and simply log in with your account in the top right corner. And from here, all you have to do is click on your username and then select account. So after we're taken to this page, we want to select the option that says password and security. Then if you scroll all the way down, you will see two-factor authentication. There are three ways of enabling 2FA or two-factor authentication for Fortnite. So you got third-party authentication app, you got an SMS authentication, as well as an email authentication. So it doesn't matter which one of those you choose. All you have to do is you choose one, and simply let's do SMS, for example. So it will ask you for your phone number, and all you have to do is confirm your phone right here. You write your phone number with the code, and then you click on send code, and you confirm that this is in fact your phone number, and that way you have successfully enabled two-factor authentication in Epic Games, and more precisely Fortnite. So like I said, it doesn't matter which one of those three you choose. All you have to do is you have to choose one and enable it, and you are good to go. If you learned something out of this video, leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.